Question number 45. The ratio of age of Papon and Jubin 5 years ago was 3:4 and the ratio of their age after 5 years would be 4:5. Find the sum of their present age. So in this question we have Papon and we have Jubin and the ratio of their age 5 years ago was 3:4. This is the present age which we need to find. Now it says 5 years ago the ratio was 3:4. So 5 years ago would be minus 5 years from the present age. And after 5 years the ratio would be 4:5. 4:5. So after 5 years means plus 5 years from the present age. Now what we will do, we will look at the difference between these two. The ratio of the age 5 years ago and after 5 years. The difference will be 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the difference for both Papon and Jubin is 1 unit. Now this 1 unit will represent what? This 1 unit will represent 5 units, 5 years and 5 years. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 years. Now why 10 years? Because the ratio of the age of Papon 5 years ago was 3 and after 5 years is 4. So the difference, if we take the difference, 4 minus 3 will give us 1 unit. Now this 1 unit represents this 5 years and this 5 years. So total is 10 years. Now 1 unit represents 10 years. So that means we are multiplying it with 10. So if we need to find the age of Papon 5 years ago, we will multiply it by 10. So 3 into 10 will give us 30 and this is the age of Papon 5 years ago. Now for Jubin, his age would be 4 into 10 which is 40 and this is 5 years ago. So if we need to find the present age of Papon and Jubin, what we will do? We will have to add 5 here and 5 here because this age is 5 years ago. So present age will be plus 5 plus 5. So 30 plus 5 will be the age of Papon, the present age, and the present age of Jubin will be 40 plus 5 which is 45. So this is Papon and this is Jubin. Now in this question we need to find the sum of their present age. So the sum would be how much? 35 plus 45 will give us 80 years. And this is our answer. Question number 46. The ratio of age of Jubin and Papon 6 years ago was 5:3 and the ratio of their age after 6 years would be 4:3. Find the sum of their present age. So in this question we have Jubin and we have Papon. And it says 6 years ago the ratio of their age was 5:3. And the ratio of their age after 6 years would be 4:3. Let's say this is the present age. So this is 6 years ago. So that means minus 6 years from the present age. And this is after 6 years. So plus 6 years from the present age. Now we know that we need to take the difference. Now here if we take the difference will be how much? 5 and 4 is 1. 3 and 3 is 0. So that means this unit and this unit is not same. Now in such type of situation, what we need to do? We need to make this unit and this unit same. So in order to do this, what we will do, let me erase this. Now in such type of condition, what we will do, we will subtract this and this. We will take the difference of this and this. So 5 minus 3 will give us 2, and here 4 minus 3 will give us 1. Now this is the difference. Now what we will do, we will cross multiply this. So 1 into 5 will give us 5. 1 into 3 will give us 3. Now this is 2. So 2 into 3 will give us 6. 4 into 2 will give us 8. Now if we look at this difference, 8 minus 5, this is 5 and this is 8. So if the difference is 8 minus 5 will give us 3. Now this is 3 and this is 6. So 6 minus 3 will give us 3. So now this unit and this unit is same. Now this 3 units, this will represent what? This is the difference between, this is a difference of this 6 years and this 6 years. So this 3 unit will represent 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 years. So 3 into 4 gives us 12 years. Now if we need to find the age of Jubin's age 6 years ago, this will be 5 into 4. 5 into 4 will give us 20, and 3 into 4 will give us 12. Now this is the age of Jubin 5 years ago, and this is the age of Jubin Papon 6 years ago. So the present age will be how much? Present age will be, for Papon, for Jubin, this would be 20 plus 6, and for Papon it would be 12 plus 6. 20 plus 6 will give us 26, 12 plus 6 will give us 18, and the sum of their present age. So the sum of their present age will be 26 plus 18, which is 44. And this is our answer. Question number 47. The ratio of present age of Rahul and his sister is 3:4. 10 years ago, the ratio of their age was 13:19. What is Rahul's present age? So in this question, we have Rahul and we have his sister. The present age is in the ratio of 3:4. 10 years ago, the ratio of their age was 13:19. This is 10 years ago. Now if we look at the difference, 3 and 13, 4 and 19, this is not equal. 13 minus 3 will give us 10, 19 minus 4 will give us 15. So we need to make this equal. So what we will do, we will take the difference of this two. 4 minus 3 will give us 1. 19 minus 3 will give us 6. Now what we will do, we will cross multiply this. 6 into 4 will give us 24. 6 into 3 will give us 18. Now this is 1, so this will remain same. 1 into 13 will give us 13. 1 into 19 will give us 19. Now we will take the difference of these two. 18 minus 13 will give us 5. 24 minus 19 will give us 5. So now the units are same. Now this 5 units will represent what? this will represent 10 years, because the difference between present age and this ratio and this ratio is 10 years. So 5 units represents 10 years. So we are multiplying 5 with 2. Now in this question we need to find the present age of Rahul. So present age of Rahul is 18 units. So 18 into 2 will give us 36 years. And this is our answer. Question number 48. The ratio of present ages of Simi and Seema is 5:4. After 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 8:7. What is Simi's present age? So we have Simi and we have Seema. The ratio of their age is 5:4. This is the present age. And the ratio of their age after 9 years will be 8:7. This is after 9 years. So if we look at the difference, 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. So both are equal. So this 3 will represent what? This 3 will represent 9 years, because this is the present age and this is after 9 years. So there is a difference of 9 years. So 3 units represents 9 years. So we are multiplying this by 3 into 3 gives us 9. So we need to find the present age of Simi. So Simi's present age is 5 units. So 5 into 3 will give us 15 years. And this is our answer. Question number 49. 1 year ago, the ratio of the age of A to that of B was 4:3. The ratio of the respective ages 3 years from now will be 6:5. What will be the ratio of respective ages of A and B 9 years from now? So in this question, we have A and we have B. 1 year ago, the ratio of the age was 4:3. And the ratio of the respective ages 3 years from now will be 6:5. Now this ratio is 1 year ago. So that means minus 1 year from present age. And this is 3 years from now. So 3 years from present age means plus 3 years. Now if we look at the difference between these two, 6 minus 4 will give us 2, 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So the units are same. Now these 2 units will represent what? This will represent 1 year and 3 years. So total is how much? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 years. So that means 2 into 2 gives us 4 years. So we are multiplying it with 2. Now if we need to find this 4 units, we will multiply this by 2. We will get 8. This multiplied by 2 will give us 6. So this age is of A and this age is of B 1 year ago. So present age will be how much? 9. 8 plus 1 and 6 plus 1 will be the age of B. So this is A and this is B. Now in question we need to find the ratio of their respective ages 9 years from now. So 9 years from now will be plus 9 and this will be plus 9. So 9 plus 9 will give us 18. 7 plus 9 will give us 16. So if we divide by 2, 2 into 9 and 2 into 8. So the ratio of their ages after 9 years will be 9:8, and this is our answer. Question number 50. 5 years ago, the ratio of the age of A to that of B was 4:5. 5 years hence, the ratio of the age of A to that of B will be 6:7. If at present C is 10 years younger than B, then what will be the ratio of the present age of A to that of C? So in this question, it's given the ratio of the age of A to that of B was 4:5 5 years ago. 4:5. 5 years hence, the ratio of the age of A to that of B will be 6:7. So this is 5 years ago. So minus 5 years from the present age, and this is 5 years hence. So 5 years plus 5 years from present age. Now if we take the difference, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So both the units are same. Now this 2 units will represent 5 plus 5, which is 10 years. So that means we are multiplying this 2 into 5 to get 10 years. Now this is 4 units and this is 5 units. So if we multiply by 5, this will give us 20. If we multiply this by 5, this will give us 25. Now this is the age of A 5 years ago, and this is the age of B 5 years ago. So if we need to find the present age, we will add plus 5. So 20 plus 5 will give us 25. This is the present age of A, and 25 plus 5 will give us 30. This is the present age of B. Now in this question it says, if at present C is 10 years younger than B. So B's age is 30. So 10 years younger means C will be 30 minus 10, 20 years. So we have got the present age of A, B and C, and in this question we need to find the ratio of the present age of A to that of C. So A is 25, A is to C is how much? 20. So if we divide by 5, 5 into 5 and 5 into 4. So the ratio of the present age of A is to A and C is 5:4, and this is our answer. Question number 51. The age of father is three times of his son. 5 years ago, the age of son was 1/6 times of his father. And at the time of marriage of his mother, she was 5 years younger to his father. Find the age of mother. So in this question, we have father and we have son. The age of father is 3 times of his son. So if the son's age is 1 unit, father's age will be 3 times. So 3 units. So this is the present age. 5 years ago, the age of son was 1/6 times of his father. 1/6 means if son is 1 part, father will be 6 part. So father will be 6 and son will be 1. So 6:1 ratio. And this is 5 years ago. So 5 years ago means minus 5 years from the present age. Now if we look at the difference of these two, 6 minus 3 will give us 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can't go ahead. We will have to make this and this equal. So what we will do, we know the method. We will take the difference of these two. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So now we will cross multiply this. 5 into 1 will give us 5. 5 into 3 will give us 15. 2 into 1 will give us 2. 2 into 6 will give us 12. Now if we take the difference of these two, 15 minus 12 is 3 units and 5 minus 2 is 3 units. So both are same. Now this 3 unit represents what? This 3 unit represents the difference of present age and this age, which is 5 years. So that means in order to 3 units represents 5 years. So 1 unit will represent what? 1 unit will represent 5 upon 3. So we are multiplying 3 into 5/3 to get 5 years. Now the present age of father is 15 units. Present age of father is equal to 15 units. So we will multiply this by 5 by 3. This will give us 3 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So the present age of father is 25 years. And in this question we need to find the age of mother. And the mother's age is, she was 5 years younger to his father. So that means 5 years younger means 25 minus 5 will give us 20 years. So the mother's age is how much? 20 years. Now the difference in age will always remain same. That means if the father's age is 25 right now, mother's age is 20 years, 5 years younger. Let's say after 5 years what will happen? After 5 years father will be 25 plus 5 which is 30. Mother will be 20 plus 5 which is 25. So the difference will always remain same. 25 minus 20 is 5. 30 minus 25 is 5. Question number 52. The ratio of age of Jubin and her mother is 3:8. Find the ratio of their age after 4 years if after 10 years their age difference will be 35 years. Now we need to understand one thing. The difference in age of two persons will always remain same. For example, if my age is 20 years, if my present age is 20 years and my father's age is, let's say, 45 years. Now the difference is how much? 25. Let's say after 15 years. After 15 years my age will be how much? 20 plus 15 is 35. My father's age will be how much? 45 plus 15 which is 60. Now you can see this difference, the difference is still 25. 60 minus 35 is 25. So this age difference will always remain same, be it 5 years ago or 10 years after, age difference will always remain same. So in this question it's given that the Jubin and her mother's age, the present age is how much? 3:8. This is Jubin and this is mother. Now this is the ratio. Now if we take the difference, 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 units. This is the difference in age, and the actual difference in age is given. Their age difference will be 35 years. So 5 units represents how much? 35 years. So 1 unit will represent 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7 years. So 1 unit represents 7 years. So Jubin's present age will be how much? 3 into 7 will give us 21. And Jubin's mother's age will be 8 into 7 is equal to 56. Now in this question what we need to find? We need to find the ratio of their age after 4 years. So after 4 years Jubin's age will be how much? 21 plus 4 which is 25. Jubin's mother's age will be 56 plus 4 which is 60. So the ratio of Jubin's age and mother's age will be, Jubin is 25, mother's age is 60. We can divide this by 5, 5 into 5 and 5 into 12. So the ratio will be how much? 5:12. And this is our answer. Question number 53. Present age of A and B are in the ratio 5:6 respectively. After 7 years, this ratio becomes 6:7. Then the present age of A in years is. So in this question we have A and B, and the present age ratio is 5:6. After 7 years the ratio becomes 6:7. This is after 7 years. Now if we take the difference, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. So this 1 unit represents 7 years. So 1 into 7. So in this question we need to find the present age of A. Present age of A is 5 units. So 5 into 7 will give us 35. 35 years is the age of A, and this is our answer. Question number 54. Ravi is 12 years younger than Surya. Ravi's age is 40% of the sum of his and Surya's age. What will be Surya's age 9 years hence? So in this question, Ravi is 12 years younger than Surya. This means the age difference between Surya's age and Ravi is 12 years. So Surya's age minus Ravi's age is equal to how much? 12 years. Now the question says Ravi's age is 40% of the sum of his and Surya's age. 40% in fraction, we know it's 2 upon 5, 2 by 5. So 2 will represent Ravi's age and 5 will represent the total, which is sum of his and Surya's age. So Ravi plus Surya. Now if we need to find the part of Surya, this will be 5 minus 2. Total minus Ravi's part. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that means Ravi's part is 3 and Surya's part is 3 and Ravi's part is 2. So Ravi will be 2, Surya will be 3. So their age is in the ratio of 2:3. Now if we look at the difference, if we take the difference of their age, the ratio of their age, the difference is how much? 3 minus 2 is 1. Now this 1 unit represents 12 years. Because their age difference is 12 years and this age difference will always remain constant. So 1 unit will represent 12 years. Now in this question we need to find what will be Surya's age 9 years hence. So 1 unit represents 12 years. So Surya's age is 3 units. So 3 into 12 will be the present age of Surya, which is 36. This is Surya's present age, and 9 years hence will be plus 9. This will give us 36 plus 9, which is 45 years, and this is our answer.